we could ever fall. We could ever fall. Yes, we collided, but we still parted ways. Like shattered glasses, you broke my heart in pieces. You took all sweet memories that we ever made, and now in flames. Like shattered glasses, you broke my heart in pieces. You took all sweet memories that we ever made, and now in flames. Days are gone when I used to kiss to make you smile, kiss to make you smile. Life is short, thought that you would be my till the end, be my till the end. I thought we collided, oh, why did we part? Oh, I thought we collided, oh, why did we part? Oh, like shattered glasses, you broke my heart in pieces. You took all sweet memories that we ever made, and now in flames. Like shattered glasses, you broke my heart in pieces. You took all sweet memories that we ever made, and now in flames.
See, never really thought that you could lie to me. Promise you gon' always be the one for me. You fill my heart with hope and joy and happiness every day with those words of security. But now you're leaving my heart so broken. The bones deep, you cut it open. Should've known through your hesitation. The cold reply at the station when the face dropped. Deep pain, baby, when you walked out. Made with a blow, got me knocked out. We both started off on the same part. Now you're about to take a different route. Damn, gotta let it go. I can't taste it anymore. Cannot lose myself. I think we've hit the end of the road.
Like shattered